Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate AI avatar from Bing app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing app and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing apps on the screen, where you can see the Copilot option just down below of this dashboard. Simply tap over there and make sure you enable the GPT-4. Now you can generate AI avatar from here by giving your text command. So once you give your text command on ask me anything option, simply tap on that and you can generate your AI avatar from here. So basically this is how you can generate AI avatar from Bing app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.